Today, we are going to draw a happy rainbow fish. Step 1. Draw a big circle for the body. Draw a heart-shaped tail on the right side. Next, draw a straight line in the middle. Let's make some beautiful scales. Draw U-shapes from top to bottom. For the second row, draw U-shapes between the ones in the first row. Do it one more time. Place the next U-shapes in the gaps again. Last step. Give our fish a tiny eye and a happy smile. Good job! Now it is time to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.